Para sa nag-iisa kong kapatid, alam mo, mahal na mahal kita. Sana magkasama pa tayo ng matagal. Hiling ko kay Lord na bigyan ka ng kalakasan ng katawan para lagi tayong magkakasama. Walang iwanan, ha? Happy birthday! Miss na rin kita. Alam mo, nami-miss ko na rin si Delay. Sabi, alis-alis natin tatlo. Kaya, nagpalakas ka. Lalabas tayo. Kakain tayo sa labas. Happy birthday, love. I miss you.
Hi, Ate Noli. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hi, Ate Noli. O, kamusta ka na? Naka-move on ka na? Okay, move on, move on. Isang ngiti dyan. Isang tawa naman dyan. Okay, ingat kayo palagi. I love you all. Ingat. Makikita pa tayo. Makikita pa. Okay, bye-bye.
Hello, Tita Noli. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Noli. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Magpalakas ka. Sana magkita-kita pa tayo ngayong December. Makauwi sana ako para gagala ko kayo ng Tita LB. Promise. Kakainin ko kayo kung saan mo gusto. Lalo yan lechon. Dadaling kita sa lahat ng bilihan ng lechon. Magpalakas ka lang, ha. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I love you. We miss you. Love you. Palakas ka. Bye. Kain ka ng madami, ha. Pag uwi ko, lagi kitang pagluluto. Bye. Love you. God bless. Love you. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Tita! God bless!
Happy birthday, Tita Nolly! We miss you, love you! Enjoy your birthday!
Tita Nolly, andito pa rin kami sa LA. Kamusta na po kayo dyan? Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo and
Kumusta sa
good
lahat?
health.
Ingat po!
Okay.
Bye!
Happy birthday
Happy birthday!
from me and Mel. See you soon. Pag umuwi kami, puntahan ka namin.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Nolly.
Happy birthday, Tanoli! We love you!
Happy birthday, Tita Nolly! We love you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Nolly. Happy birthday to you. Oh, greetings from North
Kamusta na
Carolina.
ba, Tita Nolly?
No.
We wish you all the best.
Yeah. Okay, enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday!
Stay safe. Okay.
Bye.
Regards to everybody.
Ingat!
Enjoy your day. God bless.
God bless. Bye.
Hello sa pinakamaganda kong tita. Happy birthday. I wish you more birthdays to come. Stay pretty, tita. Love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Miss you.
Birthday, Nanay!
Happy birthday,
Birthday. And we praying for your good health. At ma-enjoy mo yung life mo with your apo, with that Ate Loie,
Sa tuhod.
Ate Arlene, sila Bong, hindi ko alam kung nakikita pa kayo ni Bong. JJ. Anyway, enjoy kayo sa special day mo, okay?
Sila inay. Oh, anong sabihin niyo kay ang mga nanay? Oh.
Siyempre, maganda pa rin si Manolita.
Ay. Ganda.
Happy birthday.
Ayan ang itay, ang sa gitna, oh. Oh, ayan.
More blessed years ahead.
Yes.
Oo.
We love you.
Love you po.
We miss you. Again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cha. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola. Love you. Ganda niya, no? See you tomorrow. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola, and hope you enjoy your 85th birthday. Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola Nolly. Hope you have a happy birthday. Have good blessings. May God bless you always. And happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Lola Nolly. Stay healthy and may God always bless you every day.
Happy birthday, Lola. Stay healthy always. Sana long life and wag matigas ang ulo. Laging kumain para malakas araw-araw. Love you.
Happy
birthday!